I can't pick a paint color in my own house, but here we are trying to work with the hammers and screws to build a mandir. My name is Vishnu Patel. I'm from Melbourne, Florida. It's going to be thousands of years later, people will look at it saying, wow. Hopefully they find my screw that I put up there and say, this is the screw that held everything up. This physical structure is going to bring everybody towards it. It's like a magnet, a giant magnet that'll attract everybody. Just the mere gathering of folks, even if it means this, doing the smallest of things, of getting the tools for the people that can do it. So if you can help other people in what they're doing, is also in and of itself a seva, right? To meet all these folks from all over the country and to continuously meet them so that when I do meet them again, hey, I remember you. Remember when we did Site Seva together and we were doing this and this? That's the memory that I want to be able to share years down the road. I'm creating lifetime memories. So these memories, it'll continue to shape my life for the better.